Greetings, esteemed heart heroes. Secure those seatbelts because today's expedition takes us on an enthralling voyage deep into the intricate world of heart health, the unsung MVP of your body's illustrious all-star team. Find a snug spot, for we are about to embark on a thrilling cardio-packed adventure that not only quickens your heartbeat, but equips you with the knowledge to wield the baton of well-being. Now ponder this. Why should you give your heart more than just a passing thought, considering it's the consummate multitasker, tirelessly pumping blood like a true champion? Well, beyond its awe-inspiring performance, your heart is the linchpin for holistic well-being. Envision your heart as the maestro, skillfully orchestrating the symphony of life within you. It stands as the conductor, ensuring that every nook and cranny of your body resonates with the harmonious rhythm it requires to flourish. In the script we unravel today, we're not merely dissecting, we're delving into the intricacies of this vital organ, demystifying its role as the guardian of your vitality. Get ready for a dynamic script structured around 5 main points, each unraveling a facet of heart health's grand symphony. So, without further ado, let's dive headfirst into the riveting world of heart health, unwrapping the secrets right from the inaugural beat as we embark on a symphonic exploration of well-being. Number 5. Move that body. Exercise magic. All right, heart enthusiasts, brace yourselves for the magic of exercise, the ultimate superhero sidekick for your heart. Picture this: your heart, a caped crusader, and exercise as its dynamic duo. Whether you're strolling through the park, having a dance party in your living room, or mastering the art of jumping jacks, moving that body is not just a high five for your heart, it's a power-packed salute. Exercise isn't merely a workout, it's a symphony of benefits for your cardiovascular system. It strengthens those cardiac muscles, ensuring your heart pumps with precision, keeps your arteries clear of cholesterol obstacles, and transforms your heart into a rhythm maestro, orchestrating the beats of a healthier life. So, let's break a sweat, elevate that heart rate, and give our hearts the workout they truly deserve. Get ready for a cardio adventure that will not only leave you invigorated, but will have your heart singing its own triumphant tune. Number 4. Variety of color with fruits and vegetables. Welcome to point number 2, the nutrition groove, where we're not suggesting a Skittles-only diet. Instead, we're urging you to indulge in a feast of colors from a variety of fruits and veggies. Think of it as a vibrant, heart-healthy symphony on your plate. Load up on those antioxidants, savor the fiber-rich goodies, and embrace the goodness of heart-healthy fats. Every bite is not just a meal, it's a gourmet experience for your heart. Antioxidants fend off oxidative stress, fiber ensures a smooth digestive rhythm, and heart-healthy fats compose the harmonious melody of a well-balanced diet. So, let's ditch the processed stuff, embrace the palate of nature's buffet, and allow our hearts to revel in the diverse flavors. Get ready to taste the rainbow, and let your heart dance to the nutritious groove of a diet that sings health in every bite. Number 3. Stress less. Heart bless. Life may resemble a roller coaster, but your heart doesn't need to endure the wild ups and downs. Stress management is the golden key, and we're not just advocating classic deep breaths. We're delving into the therapeutic realm of laughter, the unparalleled medicine for both the soul and the heart. Imagine it as a daily dose of joy, a prescription your heart eagerly awaits. Laughter, the natural stress buster, reduces cortisol levels, improves blood flow, and enhances overall cardiovascular health. So, it's time to cue up that favorite comedy special, share a hilarious joke with a friend, and let the contagious laughter become the soundtrack of your heart's well-being. Stress less, laugh more, and watch your heart thank you with each cheerful beat. Remember, a lighter heart is a healthier heart. Number 2. Sleep, your heart's nightcap. As we venture into the 4th chapter of our heart health odyssey, let's explore a bedtime tale that your heart will genuinely appreciate, the soothing nightcap that is a good night's sleep. Quality sleep is not merely a luxury, but an absolute necessity for your heart to take a well-deserved breather, mend its metaphorical armor, and prepare for the adventures of a brand new day. Picture it as a nightly ritual, a symphony of rejuvenation orchestrated by your heart. Creating the perfect sleep sanctuary isn't just about closing your eyes. It's about curating an environment that fosters the deepest rest. Consider your bedroom a haven where stress dissipates and tranquility reigns. Dim the lights, bid farewell to those screens that beckon with their blue light allure, and let your heart sink into the embrace of the sweetest dreams. A well-rested heart is not just a content heart, it's a heart ready to face the world with renewed vigor and vitality. As you embark on your nightly journey, remember, the better you sleep, the brighter your heart shines, contributing to a healthier and more harmonious life. So, let's dive into the realm of restorative slumber, ensuring your heart enjoys the full spectrum of nocturnal benefits. Number 1. Know your numbers. Heart's report card. As we approach the final crescendo of our heart health symphony, it's time for a heart-to-heart checkup, where your heart's report card takes center stage. Understanding and knowing your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and other vital numbers is akin to being the diligent student who diligently stays on top of their assignments. These aren't just routine check-ins. They are your heart's way of staying on the honor roll of good health, akin to a comprehensive report card that charts the progress of your cardiovascular well-being. Think of it as an investment in a thriving future for your heart, a proactive stance in nurturing a healthy, resilient cardiovascular system. Armed with knowledge, you become the architect of your heart's destiny, navigating the intricate landscape of well-being. Let those numbers be your guiding stars, steering your heart towards the rhythm of optimal health. By staying informed, proactive, and engaged, you become your heart's most attentive advocate. Your heart will undoubtedly thank you for leading the charge in its pursuit of enduring health and vitality. So, let's conclude our heart health journey with the empowerment that comes from understanding, knowledge, and a commitment to the lifelong well-being of our most vital organ. Bravo, heart champions! As our heart health expedition concludes, we hope you're not just informed but invigorated, ready to conduct the symphony of your own well-being. But before you go, let's wrap it up in style. Just like a breathtaking crescendo, we encourage you to hit that like button if your heart resonated with the rhythm of today's script. Your support fuels our mission to bring you valuable content that strikes a chord with your health and happiness. Now, it's your turn to share your notes in the comment section below. We want to hear your heart's melody, your thoughts, questions, or perhaps a heartwarming experience you'd like to share. Together, let's create a symphony of dialogue that resonates with our entire heart-healthy community. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe. By doing so, you're not just joining a community. You're becoming an integral part of our heart health orchestra. Stay tuned for more enriching content where we'll continue to unravel the intricacies of well-being and harmony. Until next time, keep your hearts beating strong, and remember, you're the true maestro of your health. Thank you for tuning in, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Until we meet again, keep the rhythm of your heart and health in perfect harmony.
Dirty, know I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy. Know what I mean, know what I need, know I